So this lesson we're going to have a look at binary, and that is how a computer counts. So binary is basically means 2 to the base of 2. So we count in tens. So we know we've got 10 fingers, 10 toes. We know that 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. A computer, they decided, you know what, it's either on or off, so it'll count to the base of 2. So you have 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, so everything's to the base of 2. 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024, and so on. How many eggs are in a dozen? There are 12 eggs. So they decided that would be called a bit. Anything below 1 would be called a nibble. What is the closest to 12 here is 8. So 8 bits equals 1 byte. We said 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. What's the closest here is 1024. So 1024 bytes equals 1 kilobyte. 1024 kilobytes equals 1 megabyte. 1024 megabytes equals 1 gigabyte. And 1024 gigabytes equals a terabyte. So a lot of you have external hard drives to keep your movies, for example, which are terabytes. So how do we count in binary? So I'm going to try 1, 2, 4, 8, and you recognize these numbers like a 32-bit, a 4 gig RAM, 64, 128, 256 color, 512, 1024. So what is 100 in binary? I'm going to change the color of the pen to red. So let's have a look. Can I get 128 into 100? No, I can't. Can I get 64 into 100? Yes, I can. So I can get 164 out, and what's left? 36. Can I get a 32 into there? Yep, I can. So I'm left with 4. Can I get a 16 in there? No. Can I get an 8 in there? No. Can I get a 4 in there? Yes, I can. Can I get a 2 in there? No. And I can't get a 1. I can't get. So what is 100 in binary? 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That counts 8 bits, which is 1 byte. So in order to type 100, I need 1 byte of RAM to save that on a computer. So I'm asking you now, and you must type it up in your Google Doc, what is, for example, 300 in binary?